Hey, I wanted to give you an update on some of the seeds that I started indoors. I wanted to share my failures with you just as much as I share my successes. In my process of trying to harden off these wonderful zucchini plants, I left them outside too long and they rebelled and they are dying on me really bad. See the brown? They've actually already started getting some powdery mildew, lots of brown icky leaves, even, some outright dead leaves. Now, if I put these in the ground, would they produce fruit? Maybe. The debate, do I put them in the ground knowing they're not going to be the most healthy in the world, or am I going to go and try to buy some from the store? I'm looking here at these clusters of flowers. I mean, they do look really good, but I'm really concerned about the leaves. The plant is not going to be healthy, or is not healthy at the moment. And it's really hard to throw something away that you spent time on, and I get that. So I'm struggling also. Do I keep these? Do I plant them? Do I not? And anytime you have a plant that's already damaged, that is just leaving it susceptible to pests. As hard as this is, I think I am just going to throw these into the compost bin. And they may surprise me. They've been things I've thrown in the compost bin that has had a life of its own, and I have received fruit out of the compost bin. These aren't going into the garden. I'm going to buy some, stick them in the ground. My lesson learned: I should not leave my plants outside for too long early on. Hardening them off is super important. Lesson learned. Thanks, y'all.